Ganap ng kapuso ang aktor-singer na si Khalil Ramos. October 13 nang pumirma si Khalil ng kontrata niya sa GMA Artist Center. Inanunsyo ito ni Khalil sa kanyang Facebook account. A new chapter, a new home. I'm overwhelmed by the support I've been getting during these momentous events in my life. I can't be more grateful for Artist Center and GMA Network for welcoming me with open arms. I've been feeling nothing but love and kindness from everyone. Nakakataba ng puso. I am super thrilled to be given the opportunity to continue telling stories. Again, thank you GMA and Artist Center for the trust. #kapuso. Lahad ni Khalil sa post niya, kalakip ang larawan kung saan makikita siya habang pumipirma ng kontrata. Isa rin sa unang bumati kay Khalil ay ang nobya na si Gabby Garcia na isa ring kapuso. Always proud of you, my love. Welcome to GMA. Sabi ni Gabby sa kanyang tweet. Nagpasalamat rin naman ang bagong kapuso artist kay Gabby sa post nito sa kanyang Facebook. Appreciation post to the best partner that I could ever ask for. Thank you for being with me on this journey, my love. I love you so mucho. Sabi ni Khalil sa post niya, kalakip ang larawan ng kapuso actress.
Share, subscribe!